Hello student, welcome to today's chemistry lecture, halogen derivatives. Now student, in last lecture we have to seen the elimination reactions in details. Okay? Now student, in today's lecture we are going to discuss the reactions with active metals. What? Today we are going to discuss the reactions with active metals. Now, active metals like sodium, magnesium and cadmium. These are the active metals. Now, when the active metals like sodium, magnesium or the cadmium react with alkyl chloride, alkyl bromide to form the compound containing carbon metal bond. So this compound is known as the organometallic compounds. So when active metals react with alkyl halide, it forms the organometallic compound. In which the compound containing carbon metal bond, यांच्यामध्ये बॉन्डिंग कशामध्ये असणार आहे, कार्बन आणि मेटल मध्ये. सो दिस वन इज कॉल्ड ॲज द ऑर्गॅनोमेटॅलिक कंपाउंड. सो व्हेन active metals like sodium, magnesium, cadmium react with alkyl halides like alkyl chloride, bromide or the iodide to forms the organometallic compound. What is the meaning of organometallic compound? The compound containing the bond between carbon and metal. So this one is the organometallic compound. So first of all, we see the reactions with sodium and the magnesium metal. सुरुवातीला आपण या दोघांच्या रिॲक्शन या ठिकाणी पाहणार आहोत. त्याच्यामध्ये पण सुरुवातीला आपण बघूया रिॲक्शन्स विथ मॅग्नेशियम. ए रिॲक्शन विथ magnesium metal, Mg metal. Mg means magnesium. Its atomic number 12. Valency is 2. Magnesium ची वॅलेन्सी किती आहे पहा या ठिकाणी 2 आहे. म्हणजे तो डायव्हॅलंट आहे. तो नेहमी 2 बॉन्ड तयार करत असतो. So let's see the reactions with magnesium metal. So when magnesium react with alkyl halide in presence of a dry ether, it forms the alkyl magnesium halide. What? When the magnesium Mg react with alkyl halide, anyone, alkyl chloride, alkyl bromide, alkyl fluoride, etc., to form the alkyl magnesium halide, it forms alkyl magnesium halide is nothing but the Grignard reagent. यालाच काय म्हटलं जातं, Grignard reagent असं म्हटलं जातं. So what is the Grignard reagent? When the magnesium metal react with alkyl halide in presence of a dry ether as a solvent to form the Grignard reagent. What is the general reaction? So let's see the general reaction. Alkyl halide represented as Rx plus magnesium Mg. This one is the alkyl halide. What is alkyl halide? React with magnesium metal in presence of a dry ether as a solvent. Now Mg is a divalent, so it forms the 2 bonds. So here R Mg X. So what is the name of compound? Alkyl magnesium halide. What is the name? Alkyl magnesium halide. And that one is the ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजंट. त्यालाच काय म्हटलं जातं या ठिकाणी? ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजंट असं म्हटलं जातं. What is the example? When we take the example like methyl chloride, this one is the alkyl halide. What is the name of compound? Methyl chloride. React with magnesium metal in presence of a dry ether as a solvent. Dry ether as a solvent to form the methyl magnesium chloride. To form methyl magnesium chloride, its name is methyl magnesium chloride. Okay, so this one is the Grignard reagent. Now, when this Grignard reagent or the alkyl magnesium halide react with water or the compound containing hydrogen attached to the इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव्ह ॲटम, हे जे काही अल्किल मॅग्नेशियम हॅलाइड्स आहेत हे कशाबरोबर रिॲक्ट होतात? वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल बरोबर. तसंच ज्या कंपाऊंड आहे ज्याच्यामध्ये हायड्रोजन हा निगेटिव्हली चार्ज स्पेसिसला काय आहे? अटॅच आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये काय होतं? हा अल्किल मॅग्नेशियम कंपाऊंड रिॲक्ट होतो अँड इट फॉर्म्स द हायड्रोकार्बन, दॅट इज अल्केन. सो लेट्स सी द रिॲक्शन. Alkyl magnesium halide react with water molecule or the compound containing hydrogens. कशा बरोबर? असे कंपाऊंड की ज्याच्यामध्ये हायड्रोजन आहे. सो alkyl magnesium halide represented as RMgX react with water molecule in presence of a dry ether as a solvent. Okay, now here RMgX, Mg is the divalent, means these two species are the negatively charged species. So this R attaches to the H. RH plus Mg, it already contains halide, it attaches to the hydroxyl group. So it forms the alkane. What is alkane? So when alkyl magnesium halide or the Grignard reagent react with a water molecule to forms the alkane. What is the example? Let's see the example. Methyl magnesium chloride react with water molecule to form CH3H plus MgXOH. Sorry, here Cl. या ठिकाणी काय आला? क्लोरीन. सो व्हॉट इज द नेम ऑफ कंपाऊंड? मिथेन. इन दिस वे alkyl magnesium halide is converted into alkane. Okay, now another species the containing hydrogen atom, it is attached to the electronegative atom like ammonia. So when alkyl magnesium halide RMgX react with ammonia, it forms the alkane plus MgXNH2. So this again forms the alkane. So this one is the Grignard reagent to forms the alkane or the hydrocarbon compound, and this one is the reactions with active metal magnesium. Okay, next reaction with active metal like sodium. 2 नंबरची रिॲक्शन आपण या ठिकाणी पाहणार आहोत. कोणती रिॲक्शन आहे? रिॲक्शन विथ मेटॅलिक सोडियम और द सोडियम मेटल. सेकंड नंबरची रिॲक्शन पाहतो हियर. हेडिंग बी, रिॲक्शन विथ सोडियम मेटल. ओके, सो व्हेन alkyl halide react with metallic sodium in presence of a dry ether as a solvent to form the higher alkane. This higher alkane contains the double the number of carbon atoms present in the alkyl halide. What is the meaning? So when alkyl halide react with sodium metal in presence of a dry ether, it forms the higher alkane. This alkane contains the double number of carbon atoms present in the alkyl halide. म्हणजेच अल्किल हॅलाइडमध्ये जेवढे कार्बन असतील त्याच्या दुप्पट कार्बन आपल्याला कशामध्ये मिळणार आहेत, प्रोडक्टमध्ये मिळणार आहेत. सो व्हॉट इज द रिॲक्शन when the alkyl halide react with sodium metal, this one is the metallic sodium, in presence of a dry ether as a solvent, it forms the higher alkane. हे काय फॉर्म करते, higher alkane, and this reaction is known as the Wood's reaction. What is the reaction? Wood's reaction. This one is the name reactions. ही काय आहे, एक नेम रिॲक्शन आहे. ज्याच्यावरती क्वेश्चन विचारला जातो, राईट अ नेम रिॲक्शन Wood's reactions. So what is the Wood's reaction? When alkyl halide it react with a metallic sodium in presence of a dry ether, it gives higher alkane. This reaction is known as the Wood's reactions. What is the general reaction? Let's see here. Alkyl halide represented as Rx react with sodium metal. Here we can use the 2 moles of alkyl halides plus 2 moles of sodium metal in presence of a dry ether. या ठिकाणी आपण अल्किल हॅलाइडचे 2 मोल्स घेतलेत, 2 सोडियम मेटल्स घेतलेत. सो हियर याच्यामधून हा जो हॅलाइड आहे तो बाजूला होतो आणि यातला सोडियम. सो इट फॉर्म्स द R-R plus twice of NaX. This one is the higher alkane plus sodium halide, and this reaction is known as the Wood's reaction. या रिॲक्शनला काय म्हटलं जातं, Wood's reaction असं म्हटलं जातं. दिस वन इज द जनरल रिॲक्शन्स. याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही कोणतंही एक्झाम्पल ठेवून ही रिॲक्शन पाहू शकता. सो लेट्स सी द example of Wood's reactions. You can take any one alkyl halide. So let's take here methyl bromide as a alkyl halide. React with sodium metal in presence of a dry ether. It forms the higher alkane. What is the formula of methyl bromide? See here, CH3Br. This one is the methyl bromide. What is methyl bromide? Here we can take the 2 moles of methyl bromide plus BrCH3, react with 2 moles of sodium metal in presence of a dry ether. It gives higher alkane, means this Br and Na. It forms the byproduct sodium bromide. So what is the product? CH3-CH3. This one is the product, CH3-CH3 plus 2 moles of sodium bromide. What is the name of compound here? Ethane. या ठिकाणी या कंपाऊंडचं नाव काय आहे पहा, इथेन. So this compound contains 2 carbon atoms and the reacting species contains only 1 carbon. So hence it contains the double the number of carbon atoms present in the alkyl halide. या अल्किल हॅलाइडमध्ये कार्बनची संख्या 1 आहे आणि याच्यामध्ये प्रोडक्टमध्ये 2 आहे. सो इट गिव्स द हायर अल्केन. दिस रिॲक्शन इज सिंथेसाइज्ड बाय द वुड्स सायंटिस्ट. So this reaction is the name reaction. Its name is Wood's reactions. When we take the 2 different mixture of this alkyl halide, it forms the 3 possible products. ज्यावेळी आपण हे 2 अल्किल हॅलाइड हे काय घेऊ, डिफरंट घेऊ, वेगवेगळे घेऊ, त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला 3 मिक्सचर्स मिळतात. सो लेट्स सी द एक्झाम्पल. When methyl bromide react with ethyl bromide in presence of a dry ether and the sodium metal, it reacts in presence of a sodium metal and in presence of a dry ether as a solvent. सुरुवातीला या मिथिल ब्रोमाइडची वुड्स रिॲक्शन होऊन आपल्याला इथेन हा कंपाऊंड मिळतो. सुरुवातीला काय तयार होतं बघा, CH3 हा एक कंपाऊंड मिळतो प्लस ट्वाइस ऑफ NaBr. दुसरा काय मिळतो बघा, दुसरा सेकंड खाली, इथिल ब्रोमाइड रिॲक्ट विथ इथिल ब्रोमाइड टू फॉर्म्स द ब्युटेन. सो हियर C2H5- C2H5 इथेन ब्युटेन. आणि तिसरा काय तयार होतो, हे दोघंही एकत्र येतात म्हणजे हा काय तयार झाला, CH3C2H5. So one compound is ethane, butane and propane. So it forms the 3 different product. When the 2 different alkyl halide react with each other in the Woods reaction to form the 3 different product. So this one is the Woods reactions. ही काय आहे या ठिकाणी, Woods reaction आहे. So next reactions with haloarenes. याच्यातच आपण दुसरी रिॲक्शन काय पाहतो, रिॲक्शन विथ हॅलोअरिन्स. व्हॉट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ हॅलोअरिन्स? देअर इज वन हायड्रोजन और द रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ हायड्रोजन ऑफ हॅलोजन अरिल टू फॉर्म्स द haloarenes. Okay, so when aryl halide and the alkyl halide react with sodium metal in presence of a dry ether, it forms the aryl aromatic or the alkyl aromatic compound. This reaction is known as the Woods-Fittig reactions. Next reaction पाहतोय आपण, reaction with haloarenes. Okay, what is the reaction? When alkyl halide react with aryl halide in sodium metal in presence of a dry ether, it forms the alkyl aromatic compound. It forms the alkyl aromatic compound. This reaction is known as the Woods-Fittig reactions. This reaction is called Woods-Fittig reaction. This one is the second name reaction. What is the reaction? This alkyl halide represented as the Rx plus aryl halide represented as aromatic compound and here X react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. So this X and this Na to form the, here twice, here one R plus twice of NaX. This one is the alkyl aromatic compound. हे काय तयार होतं, alkyl aromatic compound or simply alkylation reaction is also again here. Okay, next one, this one is the example. याचे example बघूया आपण काय येते. मिथिल क्लोराइड रिॲक्ट विथ क्लोरोबेन्झिन. एक्झाम्पल बघू आपण, मिथिल क्लोराइड रिॲक्ट विथ क्लोरोबेन्झिन. CH3Cl react with chlorobenzene in presence of a react with sodium metal in presence of a dry ether. Now here this Cl and Na to form the twice of NaCl and it forms the methyl benzene plus NaCl. What is the name of compound? Methyl benzene or the toluene. Methyl benzene or the toluene. So this one is the Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Next one, when the same molecule like aryl halide react with sodium metal in presence of a dry ether to form the biphenyl compound. This reaction is known as the Fittig reactions. So next reaction is Fittig reactions. What is the reaction? So when aryl chloride react with sodium metal, here we can use the 2 moles of aryl chloride react with the sodium metal in presence of dry ether, it forms the biphenyl compound or the biphenyl ring. या ठिकाणी हे दोन्ही Cl निघून जातात आणि आपल्याला या ठिकाणी biphenyl plus NaCl. This one is the biphenyl ring is formed. This reaction is known as the Fittig reactions. या reaction ला काय म्हटलं जातं? Fittig reaction असं म्हटलं जातं. In this way, students, in this lecture, we discuss the reactions with active metals like sodium or the magnesium, in which we can see the Wurtz reaction and the Grignard, and next one is the Wurtz-Fittig reaction, and last one is the Fittig reactions. Okay, today we will stop here. Next part of this lecture will be discussed in next video lecture. Thank you.